Hello everybody, my name is Neacsu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resize the brush very fast in Photoshop. Let's get started. Shop! So let me show you how to change the size of the brush and also the hardness of the brush. First we need to select the brush. You can do it by selecting it from the toolbar, is with this icon, or the shortcut for the brush is B. I already have selected the brush. You should see this circle, and now let's change the size. First we need to press and hold Alt on your keyboard and press and hold right click on the mouse, and you will see this red circle. It will represent the brush and its properties. Like the size, you can change the size by going left or right, and to change the hardness from 100% like it's now to, I don't know, 0% by going up and down. So left and right it's for the size, up and down it's for the hardness. You can easily change this. Let's choose a color like black. This is one type. The hardness on 100% is like this. We have here the spacing. Let's take that to 0. Okay. Let's see with 0% of hardness. It's very soft. Okay. And as you can see, I can change the size of the brush very quickly. Something like this. You can also do the same thing for the eraser tool. You press the E key on the keyboard and can select the hardness of the brush of the eraser. So let's recap. We press and hold Alt and the right click. Go left and right for the size, up and down for the hardness. Thanks so much for watching. I highly appreciate the time you're spending in watching my videos and the amount of effort you're putting in learning new skills in Photoshop. Let a comment down below on what you want to learn next, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Neacsu, shop!